Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do what to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. So on this channel today, I'm going to be showing you 3 apps that will pay you virtually for doing nothing. Maybe the last one for doing the thing you do regularly, but the third one, if you're still with me to the end of this video, the third one is the most important one. It pays you the more money, it doubles your income. These apps will not get you rich overnight, but they are good for making passive income online over and over again. So welcome back to my screen. As you can see, I'm using a phone to record this, just so you will know that this is an app that works with phone. If you have an iPhone, there are apps there are we have this app on iPhone as well, and if you're using an Android, it is on Android. So let me show you guys the app. The first one is you go to your Chrome browser. Yes, you go to your Chrome browser. The first one is Onigain. Onigain, as you can see, just by opening the app, you type Onigain, HONEYGAIN.com. The first thing you see is new to Onigain. Here is $5 gift. You can sign up. Actually, I used this app, I think in 2019, 2020. I used this app. I got the first $5, and then by the end of the year, my earning was around, I think, 45 or $50. This is just what I got as that. Then basically, when you sign up, what you just do is you earn passive income. Passive income, just download the app on your phone. What they do is they use your data, as in the extra data that you don't use. In Nigeria now, everybody will agree with me that the way MTN, Glo and other networks, the way you just don't understand. You understand? But what if you can have an app that pays you for those extra data? Yes, if you're in Nigeria and you're using probably wireless, maybe MTN or whatever network it is, you will realize that you just farm. They'll swap all your network without all your data in no time. But if you have this app on your phone, I think it does no harm to have this app. Start earning with Onigain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content on free to play video games, and simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. Whatever you earn on this website, you can probably use it to shop, buy something on website or something like that, and without compromising your security. The fact that they are using this data for research purposes and other things doesn't mean they will have access to your security, whatever, maybe your chat, your data, your recordings. No, no, they won't. All everything you have on your storage is secured. In fact, what are you saying? Without doing nothing, you are earning the first $5 for free. You get it? Exactly. Once you start using Onigain, your devices act like view towards and help what famous businesses access World Wide Web. The only thing they do is they use part of your data which you're not even aware of. It doesn't make your data end faster than the way it is supposed to. They use it for research purposes. So you have $55 in a month. On this only gain, you can connect probably 5 to 10 devices. I think 3 to 5 devices. Maybe for some of us that has maybe 2 3 phones and a laptop and you're using wireless, once you're chatting on your phone or browsing on your phone, you can on put the honey game down, and you do your normal stuff, and that's all. Your location doesn't really matter, although your earnings depends on your location. But whether you like it or not, it is better than not even earning at all. So guys, I would advise you download this app and let it run, and then you make some money. While the app is running, you see the conversions yourself. Let's go to the next app. Stay with me to the end. The last app is probably one of the most paying, that will double. The last app or website doubles your income. So the next website we'll be looking at right now is Current. I've also used this app, Current. I've also used it. I only installed it on my phone, and then you play, probably you earn while playing your favorite music. If you're a music fan, instead of you to listen to music just for free, you can still earn while playing music. Like me, if I'm doing something that I'm probably gonna waste a lot of time on that thing, I play music on my phone, background music. I just let it play. So when I got this Current, I realized that you can play music and still earn money. There are a lot of music on this platform that you play, just let it play and you earn money. As you can see, spend your points with your favorite brand, start earning. You can earn as much as you want. Usually when you play music, you earn points. Yes, you earn points when you play music. How do I earn? Let's read this. The more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in Current and earn in-app point called point. During media playback, you also encounter several opportunities to generate points. The next one is, how do I spend my point? Points can be spent in various ways: gift card to your favorite services, physical products and electronics, and donations to selected charity. So you can exchange this for Amazon gift card or any gift card. And if you are in Nigeria where they sell gift card for real money, for big money, you understand what I mean? You can sell your gift cards. How do I earn money per play? With every tap on the play button, you can earn points. The speed at which you earn is based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you're consuming. It means if you are the type that puts earpiece or something and you play music for the whole day, you can earn more points by playing those music for the whole day. So how do I get music offline? In order to get music offline, choose a radio station to play and press record at the beginning of the song you like. Once you're done recording, press stop and the recordings will be in your library. And then you can replay and replay as much as you like it. Sorry guys, I'm doing this on the phone, so definitely you see a lot of distractions here and there. But this is the second app, and the third app is super, super paying. Let's go to the third app. This is one of my favorites. In fact, I wouldn't really say it's an app. And I would also say it's an app because you can as well use it on normal Chrome, and you can download the app on Google Play Store and Apple Store. Yeah, this app, this app. If you know the way I use this app, you will call me and say no, sit down. That was, I think, a few years ago. You call me and say no, it's okay. Are you the only one? For this app, for every post you open, you get 100 points. Sometimes 200 points. And my dear, you can't finish reading all the posts. Sometimes I don't even read it that much. I don't read it. I just read the headline, bam, end my 100 points, go back. If you watch video, every video you click on, just click on play, 200 points, go back, click on another play, 200 points, go back. It's quite interesting and awesome. In fact, the way you go on Opera and Facebook, if you are here, you will probably forget that maybe you're supposed to be on Facebook or somewhere, because all the news is detailed. That's it. It's detailed. And they have a lot of videos as well on this app. So let's hear what trusted people are saying. Trusted by 10 million plus users. It's fun to watch and read articles. Why earning money on it? I love it. Even me, I super love it. Nice app. I love reading articles and watching funny videos. And also it's legit. Very fast to get point. Over fast the warrior. Get point on this app. Bam, bam, bam. You're good to go. And a lot more. So, and on this app too, you if you're a writer, you can chat them up and write and they'll pay you. I think they pay I don't know how much they pay per article, but I know they really pay maybe $20 per article or so. They pay when you write articles for them and when you send them videos to upload, maybe funny comedy or family comedy, they pay you. Like this one posted by Yvonne. Yeah, they pay her for this lady, she's been paid. This one with her baby's birthday, instead of you to just snap pictures and put on your phone, you can use boost break to snap those pictures, upload, and they pay you. So I might probably make a video on this particular app because when I used it I loved it. Like, it was fun. So guys, do well to subscribe to my channel if you got content from this. If you have gotten value from this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and share my video. I love you guys. Let's keep making money the smart way.